Warranties. What is and what isn't? So, you're now occupying your new space and your ice maker isn't working. Whose responsibility is that to correct? The plumber who ran the water line? The installer that installed the appliance? The retailer who sold the appliance? The appliance manufacturer? Who navigates the resolution? Although difficult and time-consuming, this issue is easier to field than, let's say, a leak in the ceiling or inadequate cooling or heating systems. Many subcontractors have a way of pushing responsibility off to other trades or thwarting responsibility altogether. At Fitted, all of our partners are committed to the success and quality of our projects and bound by contract to make repairs where needed. The fact is, mistakes sometimes happen and equipment sometimes fails. We just don't pass the buck. Understand our warranty program at builtbyfitted.com.